change that statistic. Green flag back in the air. Here comes the outside line. Momentum building with William Byron in the 9. Joey Logano already straddling between the inside and outside lines as they go down the backstretch.
In about the 7th row there, he made a big aggressive move on the inside of Brandon Jones, getting into 1, trying to get in that bottom lane.
Ryan Reed up to 3rd. Now, Ryan Reed to 2nd on the inside. Ryan Reed trying to gain his 3rd career win, and all 3 potentially could come at Daytona. 3 laps to go.
Go to the 9, go to the 9.
The 9 of William Byron goes slow, trying to get by the 22. They can't go below the double yellow line. Here comes the 20. Eric Jones has made the move on the outside.
The 22 did a good job of using that double yellow line, but it hurt his momentum. Eric Jones trying to capitalize.
Eric Jones on the outside, and around almost goes to 22. Joey Logano slides into the grass. He falls way back.
There you go. Still green. Still green.
Race stays green, and Joey Logano leaving some of the grass on the racetrack there in the entrance of turn 3. William Byron coming out of turn number 4. 2 laps of racing to go. Here comes Ryan Reed again on the outside. Ryan Reed to the lead as they go into turn 1. William Byron fights back on the inside. Byron back out in front.
William Byron with a great job drawing that side draft to slow the 16 down.
Hard into the wall, goes to 33. He collects the 5 of Michael Annett. Caution comes out. Numerous cars get caught up in this one. Brandon Jones in the 33, Michael Annett in the 5, the 2 of Ben Kennedy, the 40 of Timmy Hill. Cole Custer with a lot of damage to the 00.
It just felt inevitable. There was just so much pushing, so much banging, no one doing anything wrong. They're fighting for their race team, their fans, their sponsor, but you can only get away with it for so long, and finally the pushes and the runs just became too much.
There's a good chance that they will stop this field after they get through turn 2 or right in turn 2 to red flag this. It will end under overtime. As you see the 16 crew working feverishly to try to do all they can before the red flag comes out, because once a red flag comes out, they have to stop working on the car. Michael Annett making it into the ambulance. He'll go to the infield care center.
Michael Annett had such a good run going, as you said, Jeff, just looking for a bright spot.
Michael Annett, Brandon Jones, once again, just got caught up in something.
Ryan Reed, I know he's not going to be a race winner today, but what a job getting into this race, being in the conversation at the closing laps, had fought his way up, had the lead.
All right, red's out, red's out.
Red's out, they can't work on the car anymore. You see steam coming out of some of the cars. It's the overflow.
This red flag